Ebusuafo mami mo bibia kwa ba enfambra GCN page so mesro na wa subscribe to my channel na wo do nsa emia bell no so wo be notification ene sa ne news e de betun bia wo be bia tie anase wo be bia hwe e wo GCN page ha midi e de adwoa sechi Dr. Okoboy ena okase na edensem ena ura Okoboy eka ninsema okina ne say I will choose brains over fine boy. Entino in some way ena ura Okoboy ede atudwa. Na denti a ura Okoboy eka say na ne se wiase ye womi. Emfa ho ne tentin a wo ye obi wo ha owa. Nanso adwen ada ne tirimi no sebio e wo low kra ne IQ no e very low. Obi nso e short but adwen ada ne tirimi no e na niam obetumi de na adwen aye no. Enya asem keto akra na ura Dr. Okoboy ne nsem omo no interview e wo Peace FM kokroko dwumade so na ne nsem kemu e na o kire se watna sia dwenhu ehu se enya big body e na de run the country na emome no e ya dwen kese e na omo de ebuman enti no se obi eyetia na so wadwen ode bebuman a ene ye eye fa better than obi also so one or body na so sebio ne IQ no e wo very low na Dr. Okoboy ne nsema ode etu dwa no de enti a okansa asem na say de enti a okasa asem no emu enchiremu ni
former national organizer Wakam Bibia. I agree with him
setting
or see if in the future Dr. Dufour will want to be president I will support him because he uses his brains. Dr. Okoboy, I have come to the realization that it's not a big body that runs a country, it's a big brain. And yet, Nipa Osuwari, and Oma and my Konenim, Napoleon Bonaparte, was shining about coming. Or he tia, Nipa etia. But he was a general who was skillful in the mind.
Are you talking about short people deliberately?
I mean, body. Now my Nipa Boni. Now, so she be a me corner. Nipa oben from Senadrin Sua. Onyana wanya deche nipa osuwai. Now, it takes brains even to let you have your petrol this morning if you are driving and listening to me. Now, ansana aban bi ba no. Na ye fa no say before Akufo call no, ye fa no say o petrol die. Say automatic. O drive do na o kita osika. Ye di ma. Na nipa refi say eye adrinkese. E na ye da tena se aye hihye. Ye before for supply chain. E ma utimi receive petrol at the filling station. Your opposition 29 to 2016. Me me driving and me taxi drivers are saline. I say na mo nto de mo nto no so doctor ekite ska. Na so ade no asem aba ashorty. Me see you don't take normal things for granted. But why do you think say on my way obi catch say it can take 20 years 30 years to do free SHS? Because it takes a lot of brain power to sit down, be able to manage your budget such that you can afford to pay 1.5 billion every year and still not go broke.
And it takes brain power to pull the brakes on you now and go to Charles.
Finally.
Yes, finally.
Finally.
Yeah.
You always have to put brain before body. Because only the brain can bring you the change you desire. And to ask for Dr. Baumani, Dr. Kufado, Nane Kufado, I am following them because brain is at work. Now your body Akaye say, choose a brain and not a fine body.
Charles.
Of the day, the Empress Abu on the issue of Ira Mahama, ex-president John Mahama, Ninsema Okano. The Empress Mekani, MPP as a party, na ye Ghana, the CI no. The party in Penfo, because maybe Besisi we Mamian Kasakura Mikofa. Miku kesi baus di ba ya na ama yani aje kama ya na manfo bi su do mo de ne nam chenchen benefore de hihya ba se enuru amanyobre isi yibu oman enti baus hwa nyina no e fa mu nchen na emre no so a
sure
na amama ekwan ni aye baus ya tiasie pa ko party benefore na kasa na meka kwesi na Ghana nyina aswe nti Ghana no yini bra ya de build on mine all the time no must be politics ana se obre de bedu o mind dia ene said the NPP as a party ne eno aso ne yuru o mind no yetimi de hihia ba se party no enuru amanyobre yebu o mind tiemfa amanyo nto nchen no ada na Ghana so no yemfa sanhie ni bima na yehu se from this time of the day to that period of time eyamemu yenkoma yedi so your opposition so your hwan yenkomu nyina and center on the building of the nation. If it's a election no uko election sa wo petumi e dia ba bebu o man no so what you say nti eto abani wi a election akoda na nka dia aka no eyamemu opposition now provide alternative governance now the hihye ba oh aban ba bia o fe ha de eye na nka mo tre no fa ne say kakra that's opposition no opposition say woni tua sa aban no ya de pa na so yese de tufutu Ghana for na tell you you are poised for power but you are not poised for development of the nation there now when you be say to abama ade akunya na shawonsa so what I say because obi a also be Ghana kunye dey say respecting the laws of the land you must respect your president and the government of the day nti say who abuse the powers of which yeah who set an ambition to come and have that power to lead the nation. Let's also for buo mamra, for buo ma police, for buo ma all the institutions. You don't qualify to rule the state. And only some years here come Ghana 40 years here. Na Ghana for who do your fantasy to me to Abama so be Ghana kunyaso. So what you see? In this case I'm suggesting because I'm speaking partly as communicator, partly as communication professional. The American I'm speaking the language communication. Say so mine to me set your priorities right. At what particular time and I see a politics? At what particular time and I see a building nation? It is all your opposition party. Now when you are so contribute to the building of the nation, what can I say letter commission and so to me a receive class ballot paper. If so don't think of the nation or manifest you see in everything Ghana first. What the meaning of Ghana first? Ghana first is just say Ghana punto in Kanko and na a year die soon. Na mnenu dusie be pa konwa na enama no mo pa bia Ghana fo hu se hu tumo man no wodwunu wo mo ho ne sa de benti no wotimi akonsider to abana ma so na me cho no ye we mama yewra ex president ne se ma okan mpo okan sam Ghana man no a wo so pese obedi wo mo so no se asem na okan entwa yi twisan wo se mi gira de mi gina uti nipa wetintintinti sa nipa we no ene wono no simbre bi ba oba be ka se to abama no metena konwa no so owo position kura na all party an kwodi ahombrase ene be pe no woturu gina wokon ho wohuri o gina wokon na de 2 mini manua ya 2 mini nyina be di nisem no e ho na be ka se obedie enti say it is hard time say you synthesize Ghanaians no mo hunu nipa o ka se etie no ene de on ka se etie no I should say okay Mahama yewra ni nsema wo ka no enye politics
where
we shouldn't take it as politics
but what
we should take it as obia nipa bia or person de Ghana ko yenim.
Hey,
I'm telling you, politics no dia you fan to change. So our can should be about a person agenda 111 na so for the politics but me ni problem on home. So that me ni problem on home. Na mom so utimi kasa call for mayhem. Now person will tamper with the peace of the nation. Dear, we no be say so asam so say we politics na way. Never. The whole Konyinan obi kura you coup yeah UN you who said ne kura no
president we have virtual
what you say now who the Ghana justify say coup no my no papa who say ma Konyina kura che say the person who say nka bi kura si Ghana now o kasa asem we ya na nya bere na discuss no na ya ni age ho so what you say the person me kan yi Nana Addo Akufo-Addo is the president of the state. Wayini na pan for no mo ye adwuma no states no ya chichem into facets institutions a movement and the police the national security and then the police national security and the interior ministry but what you say no mo hwe internally yambambo ehun sa mo hwe so asem bi